Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
MLA ka Joa constituency uba Wailan Mikishala ubadeiru chairman Joka Muda haka arpautrek ukala lingkot arjapsan ula play ba yaka first sports climbing wall kabudan hakyang nongba indoor sports hall dong misngi rengkat ke jingsa kilang u president ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association uba John F Kharshieng u director katanat sports and youth affairs u DD Shira ki nong yalam bat ki nongkit kam jong ka WJDSA ba kentop ya working president uma EMH pasa nalor kiwe ya kani ke climbing wall kabaning kong ay hapo ke jela lala ban wanra lingba ka jingye tarilang jong ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association bat ka Meghalaya Sports Climbing and Mountaineering Association.
I'm so glad to see, and I feel so fortunate that in this 6th Meghalaya Game we are creating many history. I think this is also one of the history to be remembered in the days to come. That we were present in the inauguration of the first climbing wall during the 6th Meghalaya Game. And for this, I'm really thankful to the state government, especially under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, our Sports Minister. And I used to tell this everywhere I go, that I used to be very jealous of you. If you are so fortunate, if I also would have got a Chief Minister, a government like this, I think I also would have I could bring medals to my district. So you have got this opportunity. So my request is, please don't waste it. Work hard. And remember, nothing comes easy in life.
We call this rock climbing, sir. And when this game has been introduced in Olympics in 2020, it has become a sport climbing from rock climbing. So that's why this sport is very popular in India, especially in our area. But in Meghalaya, we don't have this kind of facilities. Our climbers, we used to practice with the Indian Army here in Shillong, in Assam Regiment and Gorkha Training Center. We appreciate their help also that has been extended to our association. And some of them, they have got medal in the zonal and national. And last week from Arunachal Pradesh, we have won 6 medals. Out of 13 participants, we won 6 medals from the Northeast Zone climbing competition. And we are having here our climbers with us. And with this climbing wall here, we hope that the Jaintia Hills will produce lots of climbers in this area, especially who will represent in the Olympic. We hope for that. And from the beginning, we have concentrated only here in Jaintia Hills because most of the climbers, they are from Jaintia Hills only. So I thank especially all the participants who have come all the way from your district. Thank you very much, especially from the Garo Hills. I hope that you enjoy the hospitality and you will experience here about the hospitality of the local people and the environment of this area. And I thank everyone who are involved, especially our members of the association, the technical official and all the district managers to cooperate together to bring this competition as successful.
This climbing wall is inaugurated today, today on the 20th of January 2025. Declare this climbing wall. It's open and it's ready for use. Thank you.
All the best. Oh, very good. Come on, get the clap. Come on. Come on. Yes. Come on. It's reaching the top now.
Yes.
Come on. Oh. Why not be careful? Okay.
Nice,
Oh my goodness me. Okay, they're already holding it.
Yes.
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 Wow. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Come on, Majan. You have to beat my record.
Oh yes, good.
Good try, sir. Nice one.
Oh yes, right up, yes. Oh yes, yes. Very good, yes. Nice, good. Oh, lift, yes. Left side up, yes. Stand up, yes. Good. Oh, yes. Lift your left foot. Lift your left foot. Left side, yes. Two more, you have to beat, two more. Yes. Stand up, yes. Lift your right foot. Yes. Second, yes, one more. Lift your left foot. Lift your left foot. Yes. Butterfly, practice. Yes.
Yes, come on.
Yes, come on. Nice.
Come on. Going good.
Lead climbing ready? There's 4 meters. So lead climbing is different. Nobody will support him. So he will climb himself. He will hook to those anchors we call quick draws. So if a climber, in case he fall down, the person from below, he's a belayer. He will belay that climber. So that is the way we do for lead climbing. Yes, we have timing on this. And in most of the competition, we have timing 5 to 6 minutes. And some of them, they might fall down from the first clip. Some of them, it depends. Whoever goes to the highest point with less timing, he's the winner. And in speed climbing, whoever reach at the top at the minimum time, he's the winner. Actually, we have one more discipline, that is bouldering, but we don't have any space. But this is for the first time. So we thought we'll show only these two disciplines. Especially in the overhang is very difficult you have to fight with the gravity, so it's pulling you down, so you have to control the body, the way of climbing. Yeah. So now he has reached the top, now he's clipping. Okay, clap, give him a big clap. Yes, now he's coming down and the belayer is controlling him.